dear friends, here we are again. Thank you for joining me in this series on how to stay positive in a negative world. I hope you're enjoying this. It's not complicated, it's simple, practical, and it will really help you as it helped me in my life. So far we've seen that we need God in our lives. We need to read His Word, we need to pray, and we need to manage our thought lives. And yesterday we talked about how it's really encouraging and a positive thing when we help other people. So today I wanted to share a practical point again, and that is we need to give. When you give, it can be financially basically, but it can be really your time or your attention. When we give generously, it's something happens. Something happens in our thinking, something happens in our heart, something happens in our life. And of course there is, the Bible talks about this a lot. And let's read it, why not? Second letter to the Corinthians. 2 Corinthians chapter 9, verse 7 and 8. And it says there, let me see, you must each decide in your heart how much to give. So I'm not going to tell you about anything like that. Don't give reluctantly or in response to pressure, for God loves a person who gives cheerfully. That's the key. And God will generously provide all you need. How that? Then you will always have everything you need and plenty left over to share with others. Listen, it doesn't get any better than this. No matter what's happening in the world, no matter how negative the circumstances may seem, no matter how they try to scare you with the lack of this and the lack of that and the lack of everything, that's the cry of the enemy. The cry of God and the cry of the Bible is there is more than enough for everything. But we need to give, we need to share. And when we do that, and we do it with joy, and we do it with gratitude, and we do it just generously, God will bless us. And we will always have enough for everything. He will fulfill all our needs. Doesn't get any better than that. So I hope you will think about that and start doing it. And I can promise you, you will be blessed. So see you tomorrow. Bye.